Welcome to Lily Artist English. This is organza fabric, and in today's video I will show you how you can paint a quick design on organza dupatta. So for today's lesson I am using pink organza, and for painting on this pink organza I am using these three colors: white, ultramarine blue and sap green, and round brush number 10 for painting my design. So let's begin. So in this video I will show you a freehand painting on organza. Here I am using a 10 number round brush so that our flower is easy to paint and its petal is very easily formed when we apply color like that. By putting our brush like this on your fabric and dragging it downwards, you can easily paint your flower or organza fabric. So first of all I am painting flower by using ultramarine blue and white. One by one painting a petal and it will form a flower. So I am painting it in a shape, or you can say a direction, that it will take a very good shape of a flower. After painting flower, now I am taking green color on the brush and continue painting our design. So here I am drawing lines so that I can add more element in this design. Now I started painting leaf by using light green and dark green. As this is a freehand painting, so you can paint it easily without any worries. You can change your shades also, it's okay, because in freehand painting it is what it is. Now adding more leaves in the design. After that I am painting here a small flower, a flower with the 3 petals like that. So this is our design and you have to repeat this design throughout your dupatta, and one by one when you repeat this design it will look very beautiful together. You can arrange this design on the border or you can arrange it as your wish. It's on you how you want to arrange this design on your dupatta. So that's all for today. See you soon in new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.